Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare TaxAct versus FreeTaxUSA. We'll explore their core offerings, user experience, and support options to help you decide which is best for your tax filing needs. Understanding these differences can save you time and money. Let's dive into how each platform handles federal and state returns and what you can expect from their services. When it comes to features and user experience, FreeTaxUSA is known for its straightforward, no-frills approach, making it efficient for those comfortable with tax forms. TaxAct, on the other hand, offers a more guided experience, which can be beneficial if you appreciate step-by-step assistance and explanations. Both platforms aim to simplify the process, but their methods differ slightly. Pricing is a major differentiator. FreeTaxUSA consistently offers free federal filing and a low, flat fee for state returns, typically $14.99. TaxAct's federal filing can be free for simple returns, but its state filing fees are generally higher, ranging from $39.99 to $64.99. For support, FreeTaxUSA provides free email assistance, while TaxAct offers customer service and paid expert help options. So, which one is better for you? If affordability and comprehensive free federal filing are your top priorities, FreeTaxUSA is an excellent choice, even for complex returns. If you prefer a more guided experience, potentially with access to tax professionals for an added fee, TaxAct might be a better fit. Consider your comfort level with tax preparation and your budget. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.